Hi all YouTubers, welcome to Freaking Jeep. My name is Tiny and this is the monkey. Well, now we're going to put the strut back in, try to get it all lined up, bolted up, so we can get this car back on the road. Take a look. Give you guys a quick look and see what's going on here. You see I got the bolt lined up, nut on it. Now I got to line this other side up. Right there. Get the bolt shoved up. You can see I didn't get it clocked quite right yet. It's off about ½ inch. You can see the hole difference. But we'll use a crescent wrench and we'll twist it around. We'll get it to sit. Once we got it all lined up, bolted back up, we drive down the road, the spring will straight. I obviously can't do this because I don't have 3 hands, but you can see with the crescent wrench I can twist this right back straight, right where we got to go, put the bolt back in. So here we go. I gotta sit you down. Bolts lined up. $15mm wrench, 13mm socket. Driver hole. In one of the next upcoming videos, somewhere along the way, we'll put some new tubular lower control arms on here. This thing is due for some new ones. The bushings are kind of bad, and it needs a front end alignment. So if I got to go through all that, I'm going to put all new stuff on, make it easier, and then I don't have to worry about it. Now we're ready for a cotter pin, but I need new ones, so we'll put that in a little while. This car always pulled to the right a little bit when you were braking. Turns out, I found on the driver's side the caliper pins, what bolt the calipers bolt to on the caliper hangers down here on the back side. Those pins, they're supposed to slide back and forth. They were froze up on the driver's side, so I had to clean them up. I had to get them all smoothed out and lubed up. Now they move freely, so hopefully this car won't pull towards the ditch every time you hit the brakes. There, it's almost all back together. We just gotta go up top, tighten the nuts up, put the two bolts back in, and that cotter pin. We'll see in a few, well, for you it'll be instant. It's gonna be a few minutes for me. Stand by. Alright, we're back topside here, putting the strut back together. Make sure you get all the bolts started first before you decide to tighten them up. Otherwise, you might not get them in right. And there you have it. Struts, shocks on the Batmobile, all done. All I gotta do now is clean up the wheels, put the wheels on, get ready for car show week here in a couple of months, or a couple of weeks actually. We got a car show to go to, a big one in Wisconsin Dells. Hope to see you guys out there maybe. See you later.